If you requested Google remove a YouTube link and it's still there, you're waiting in the wrong queue and ReputationZilla skips it in 72 hours. Here's the problem. Google has 3 different removal queues and most people file to the wrong one. Use the legal removal request form, not the copyright form, for non-copyright links. Google processes legal requests in 3 to 5 business days. Check your Google Search Console removal dashboard every 48 hours. 62% of requests succeed on the second attempt after the first rejection. You need a link gone fast. Maybe a former employee posted a defamatory video about your business on YouTube in 2026 and it ranks first for your brand name. Within 7 days your customer inquiries drop 40%. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle emergency link removals when Google's timeline costs you real revenue. Google operates 3 removal queues. Copyright DMCA takedowns average 24 to 48 hours, legal removals for defamation or policy violations take 3 to 7 days, and privacy removals under European GDPR can stretch to 14 days depending on your location. Most people fail here. They file a copyright claim when the video isn't actually theirs, thinking it's faster. Google rejects 78% of false copyright claims within 24 hours and flags your account. Then you're locked out of the real legal removal queue for 30 days. Do not do this. With ReputationZilla we file the correct removal type on day 1, cite the exact YouTube community guideline or Google policy being violated, and follow up every 48 hours until it's removed. Step 1. Go to Google's legal removal request page, not the YouTube copyright form. Select defamation, harassment, or doxing depending on the video content. In 2026 Google processes legal removals in 3 to 7 business days if your submission includes the exact URL, the policy violation paragraph number, and a sworn statement. ReputationZilla handles this entire filing for you and tracks the case ID until removal confirms. Step 2. Submit evidence screenshots showing the policy violation. This is important. Google needs proof the video violates community guidelines, not just that you dislike it. Upload screenshots of the offensive timestamp, the video description if it contains personal info, and any comments from the uploader admitting false claims. Cases with evidence screenshots get approved 3 times faster, averaging 4 days instead of 12. ReputationZilla knows exactly which screenshots Google's reviewers prioritize and formats them to match Google's internal checklist. Here's the problem. Path A. You file yourself, Google rejects it for missing evidence, you resubmit, wait another 7 days, and the link stays live for 14 to 21 days total. Path B. ReputationZilla files with all evidence on day 1, follows up at the 72-hour mark, and gets removal confirmed in 3 to 5 days. The difference is 16 days of lost business. Most people fail here because they treat it like a customer service ticket instead of a legal process. Here's the exact wording to use in your legal removal request description field. Copy this template word for word and fill in the brackets. This video violates YouTube Community Guidelines section on harassment and cyberbullying. The uploader falsely claims that my business committed specific illegal acts without evidence. The video was posted on specific date and has caused measurable reputational harm including a documented drop in customer inquiries. I request immediate removal under YouTube's policy prohibiting content that targets individuals with prolonged name calling or malicious insults based on intrinsic attributes. I declare under penalty of perjury that this statement is true and correct. Signed, your name, date. Google's reviewers scan for the phrase policy prohibiting content and the perjury declaration. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We file 200+ removal requests per month and know exactly which policy phrases trigger faster human review. This video violates YouTube Community Guidelines section on harassment and cyberbullying. The uploader falsely claims that my business committed specific illegal acts without evidence. I request immediate removal under YouTube's policy prohibiting content that targets individuals with prolonged name calling or malicious insults. I declare under penalty of perjury that this statement is true and correct. File legal removal requests, never fake copyright claims. Include evidence screenshots showing exact policy violations. Stop wasting weeks on rejections. ReputationZilla removes links in 3 to 5 days. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for emergency link removal. Visit ReputationZilla.org.